So I've been working with Decision Point for approximately 4 years now. So being surrounded by smart, talented, and like-minded individuals really helps. I get the chance to work on a wide variety of projects, which are not just restricted, which actually vary across multiple domains as well. This helps me learn continuously on an ongoing basis. And this learning is not just restricted to analytics, but also helps me build on my managerial and soft skills. Yes, so at DP, we actually pride ourselves on it. So towards the end of the projects, we we get in touch with the clients to try and assess the actual impact that or the value that our work has actually created for them. So in fact, I've been actually lucky enough to work with Indian clients, and I've seen a lot of the recommendation that we have made really come to life. This helps us to continuously drive, or this gives us a drive to continue delivering quality work. So we get to work with very senior executives across the globe, which have been um, which have been in the industry for approximately 15 to 20 years. So working with them on a regular basis to try and help them drive their business through data-backed strategic insights is a prospect that really excites me. We also get to work on new and challenging problems, which require us to build and deliver use cases from scratch. And in order to do all of this, we have the freedom to drive the work in the way we see fit. So there are three aspects to it, I believe. Number one, following a structured approach whenever you're trying to solve a complex problem. The second, always try and break down a complicated issue into smaller, manageable parts, which can be approached individually. Right? And always try and read up a lot on similar problems that have been solved. This will help you to continuously improve the process that you're working in. So I think the most critical part is to try and always think of and try to always focus on delivering value to your work. So whenever, let's say, you're approaching a project or a use case, don't just try and answer the whys of the problem, but also the so whats. That is the actions that your client can take based on the insights that you've generated. Right. Secondly, I think always try and look at a bigger picture. This generally is not restricted to the scope of the project. By doing so, you can then connect the dots to try and deliver comprehensive value holistically. Lastly, I think the journey, this current role, right, the AC or the SSC role, it's a journey from initially contributing to managing and then essentially building teams, building client relationships, incremental business, and while continuing to deliver on regular work.